So continuing on the idea, when we see a trinomial with x squared, we automatically should start to write, when factoring, two binomials with x and x at the beginning. Because we know the only way that we can make x squared by multiplication is x times x. Pardon me. So the next thing we're looking for is two numbers that multiply to 40 that also add to 13. So the first thing I do is I write out all the numbers I know that multiply to 40, positive and negative. So 40 can be made up of 40 times 1, or negative 40 times negative 1. Could be made up of, and I actually prefer to write them with the smaller number first, because then I know it's easier to kind of keep track of when I'm done. So let's do that. 2 and 20, negative 2, negative 20, pardon me. 3, nope, 4, and 10, negative 4, negative 10. Of course, I'm constantly keeping an eye out for, do these numbers add to 13? I'm not there yet. 5 and 8, negative 5, negative 8. Just for sake of thoroughness, let's add these all together. So that's 41, negative 41. 22, negative 22. 14, negative 14. So this isn't 14, but if it were, I know my combination. It's 13, which is this next combo. And how do I know if I'm done factoring? Well, I can try 6, doesn't go in evenly, 7 doesn't go evenly, 8 goes in evenly, but I've already used 8 on the other side. So once I start wrapping around, I know I have all my factors. So 5 and 8 are my numbers. So I have x plus 5, x plus 8. And just to confirm it, I can re-multiply it out. X squared plus 8x plus 5x plus 40, which is the same as x squared, plus 13x plus 40, which is exactly what I was factoring. So you can always re-multiply to be sure that what you factored was correct. And the faster you get at that, the more likely you are to be right. So now we're going to factor this next one. Two numbers that multiply to 56 that add to 15. And you're going to get better and better at this the more you do it. So we're going to write out the numbers that we know that multiply to 56. 56 and 1. And since I know, I'm going to get a little more sophisticated. Since I know this is positive, and I either get negative, negative, or positive, positive to get this positive 56. I know my negatives really don't work. If I had a negative 15, that'd be a different story. So I'm just going with my positives. Again, sorry. 1 and 56. 2 and 28. 3. Is 3 going? No. 4 and 14. 6. Nope. 7. 7 and 8. And then 8. So that's all of them. Totaling them up, 57, 30, 18, 15. That's my combo. So x plus 7 times x plus 8. That's my factoring of my trinomial into two binomials. Again, checking my work, remultiplying them, x squared plus 8x plus 7x plus 56. And these together make 15x. So in fact, it checks out.